based on the same 125cc platform that powers the new Super Cub and Monkey. This means a 4-speed semi-automatic gearbox that is designed for use both on the road and on two-track type trails. When American Honda was established in 1959 and began offering the Honda 50, Idaho dealer Erbal started modifying it for off-road use, resulting in Honda producing the Trail 50, explains Lee Edmonds, senior manager of Power Sports Marketing for American Honda. That model became ubiquitous in American campgrounds and on motorhome bumpers in the 60s and 70s and led to a number of successors. For that reason, the CT brand has a special history with the US market, and it's great to see it return with the Trail 125 which, like the Super Cub and Monkey, harkens back to a golden era of American motorcycling but with modern technology and reliability. The first models are scheduled to arrive in the United States in November of this year. The bike's base price is $3,899, plus a destination charge of $190.